In our previous videos, we have taken a look at our special analytical speedometer that is integrated into the BCD Pay application. This tool was developed in partnership with Bitcoin Diamond and can only be found in this app. In this video, we will show you how to interpret all this information. First, we want to note that the speedometer runs on a rather complicated algorithm that's been developed by professional traders over several months. This is not some mix of technical indicators. There are a lot of factors here. Each one has its own specific weight. There are factors that measure price movement, speed of movement, and price in a specific time frame. All this counts with support resistance levels, which also have their own strength or weaknesses. But let's do this step by step. All analytics can be found on the Trade tab. On the main page, you will see a list of cryptocurrencies. You will also see the current price of each coin, the percentage change over the last 24 hours, and predicted direction in different time frames. Note that this is not current value, but predicted. You will learn how this is calculated from this video. Also in the main window is a search. At the moment, the application works only with Binance Exchange. We will be adding more exchanges in the future. An interesting feature is the app's ability to display the current price of a coin, not only in US dollars, but also in many other fiat currencies like British pound and Japanese yen, as well as other digital currencies. Clicking on any of the coins will open the analytical speedometer. At first glance, they may look similar to TradingView's speedometers, but that is only a visual similarity. The app has a completely different data analysis. The main window has 5 zones: very bearish, bearish, stable, bullish, and very bullish. We call these the priority zones. Very bearish, bullish. This is when the market has a very strong trend on one side of the current time frame, an imbalance or a large amount of either sellers or buyers. When the price is in such extreme positions, there is a lower potential for movement since the trend is very obvious. Bearish bullish. This means there is a healthy trend. It can even be a movement within a wide balance or corridor from one border to another. Stable. This means the market is neither bearish or bullish. This often happens when the price is in the middle of the corridor or when there is a slowing down in the trend after an impulse. The arrow moves back and forth based on its current and future value. The range of the speedometer is from -100, very bearish, to +100, very bullish. Extreme values are rare because there is always some level nearby that will have its specific weight, and this level will reduce the values. Below the speedometer, you will find the previous, current, and future values. The future values are being decided using a specific formula that calculates the probability of further price movement, one of the sides up or down. All the algorithms and formulas are the intellectual property of traders. Below the scores, we can find buttons to view different time intervals. Choose from the presets or click the 3 dots to get even more control. Click on any of the buttons to view specific time frames from 1 minute up to 3 months. Above the speedometer, you will see another indicator, swing ratio. If you click on the button, a pop-up appears with an explanation. Swing ratio shows the current price trend between the levels during a certain time interval. Max levels you could see is 18 from -9 to +9. Swing ratio range can be from -3 to 3. A value above 1 indicates that the price moves to the resistance level. When the value is at 3, it indicates that the price has already reached this level and swing movement at the completion stage. Also, the larger the parameter, the faster the price movement. Let's go to the levels. When you choose a time frame, you will see important price levels that often interact with the price. The word interaction means a rebound from a level. The number X near the number value just shows the total amount of price bounces. from two sides. The larger X value on the level, the more interest there was on this level, like a point of control. This is the value where we take when we draw the levels on the chart. To the right of the price is the swing ratio and the percentage of price positions. Price position values can be compared with the FIBO levels, but in our case it works a little differently. The percentage of positions displays the current price position relative to the level grid. 0% means that the price is at the lowest level and 100% at the highest. To better understand how this works, imagine a box on the chart. Now imagine that this box is divided into a level grid. 0% is the lower border of the box, and 100% is the upper border of the box. If the price position shows approximately 50%, this means that the price is in the middle of this box. On the chart, it would be the middle of the balance. The last parameter is the last time of touch, in seconds and minutes. This is the last time the price rebounded from this level or broke through it. Shown here is the News tab. Here you will find the latest news in the crypto industry. The source of information is our own news site, mooncatchermeme.com, that uses a special algorithm for finding the news. In the future, we'll be using AI-based algorithms for this task. Before we go, I want to point out that the BCD Pay app is absolutely free. It does not require registration and other things. Just download and install. The application is instantly ready to help you analyze and predict movements in the crypto market. Download it now and don't forget to let us know what you think. We love to hear your feedback and suggestions. All links are in the description below. Thanks.